Here's an app I've been working on. It takes the Wi-Fi data stream from my Dynon SkyView and my van's RV-12. And, well, let me open it up. I'm sure you'll recognize this if you're interested in this stuff. There's the app. Data connection lost. I have an emulator here at home that I wrote that is playing back real-time data that I collected in flight. So it's a real SkyView data stream. Let's go ahead and start that. And there we go. So now you're seeing the playback. This is actually a takeoff, so I'm lining up on the runway, and you'll see everything start to come to life. And you get it. So the other thing, got the flight path marker and all the various things you expect. You'll get wind here shortly as soon as we've been airborne long enough for the computer to be able to calculate it. It'll be down in the left-hand corner under the airspeed. There we go. Then you have a little gray arrow instead of the heading indicator. That's the wind direction, how it affects the aircraft graphically. The other thing you can do with this is we can load a Dynon BLACKBOX file or the user file, either one, the CSV. Take it a second because it has to parse it out and find everything. Once that's open, we can tap the screen, start it playing back. So you're seeing the actual CSV file. You can drag the bottom slider if you want to see different areas of your flight. This thing can also data log and play back its own. It can consume its own data, so you can play back a flight that way. I think here's, I actually turn on the autopilot so you get a bunch more information. You can see popped up like the course deviation indicator and all that type of stuff. So it's a work in progress. It's got bugs, but it's kind of fun to play with and be fun for a passenger. If you want to go back to the live data stream, just hit live and take a second and it'll eventually reconnect. I think I might actually have a little bug right there. It should have reconnected. It didn't, but you know what? That's why we put this stuff out there. So that'll go on my bug list and we'll figure it out. Anyway, that's my app. That's what I'm working on. I have another one that's pretty cool too. I might do a little video on there. Again, works with the Dynon, and we'll show you that at a later date. Cheers.